I'm going to be showing you how to get fire arrows in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in Where Winds Meet, fire arrows are a special arrow type you can use with your bow. They deal burning damage and interact with environmental puzzles and explosive objects. And here's how to get them. So the first way you can get them is very simple. You can just buy it from merchants. You can purchase fire arrows directly from Shongda, from the peddler at Heaven's Pierre in Xinghai region, or from Hunor at General Goods shop in Kaifeng. So each sells up to 99 arrows per day, which is 200 coins each. So make sure you're stocking daily, and you can also craft them yourself. So to craft fire arrows, you need to unlock the recipe first and then use raw materials. So you can unlock recipes through completely doing your quests. Make sure you follow the main story, and there you go, that's how you get fire arrows and Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.